If you're rebuilding a Dana 60 and you're trying to get out the spindle bearings and you can't, I'm going to show you what I just used to get these out. There's a nasty bearing right there. So I went to Harbor Freight and I bought this pulley right here. And I had to kind of customize the tips. I cut them off just a little bit in order for it to seat inside that little lip. There's a little lip right there. It's gonna sit perfect right where you need it. Let's see if I can get this camera to focus here. And once you get your tool adjusted in there, it should be looking something like that. And they should turn right out by using a 3/4 inch wrench right here. Let's see what happens. I'm making this video because I couldn't find too many videos on YouTube and I was looking to try and get this done. And I looked at some forums and I seen some guys that use this, and I've seen some images and I just kind of put 2 and 2 together, and here we are. Been working on this for about a week. Bent screwdrivers, everything. Couldn't get those needle bearings out, but that's what's gonna work for you right there. Thanks. All right, to get the new needle bearings in there, once you have this all cleaned up, that's the kit I'm using right now. It's a Dana Spicer. Here's the needle bearing. The new, I believe there's some kind of new and improved seal because the old one didn't come off like this. That's gonna sit on top, and I believe this is for the drive shaft. There's a mark. The needle bearing only goes in so far. It doesn't go all the way to the edge. What I'm using here to insert it is a snap-on socket that I have. This is for a 6.0 powerstroke diesel. What I'm gonna do is, when I line this up in here like this sits in there just perfect, like so, and then I'll tap on it right there to get it in there where I need it. Should look something like that once you got it in there to a certain depth. And then that's where this seal will come right in, kind of sit in there. And I just use a rubber mallet to push this one in. Something like this. That's your finished product right there. Should be flush all the way around. And there shouldn't be no gap between the seal and the bearing. It should sit pretty close like that. There you go. Thanks.